On today's video, we're at the CBI headquarters. With us today is Nathan. He's the owner of CBI, and Kenan. He has a YouTube channel with over 500,000 subscribers. It's called Kamp Kenan. Make sure to check it out. Tell us, what is it that you do?
Well, I rescue and educate people on reptiles, man. I love them. They're just incredible animals. And the reason we're hanging out is because I know you know so much about Tacomas, and I've been following you for a while on Instagram and YouTube, and I need help building the ultimate reptile rescue machine. I need something that will get me into trouble, but get me right back out of trouble, and also bring me to where the animals are. And in the case of Florida, they're in the swamps, man.
So we're doing a full truck build. He's getting the work. CBI Prinsu, he's getting it all. We've spec'd it out per your requirements, and it's gonna be a totally new truck.
All right, Kenan, you're heading out.
Yep.
It's time for you to take one last look before you go. And by the time you come back, man, this truck is gonna be completely built to the specs you gave us.
I cannot believe it. I trust you.
Line one.
Do your worst. Yeah, do your best, actually. So thank you, man. I can't wait to get back here.
Let's do it, man.
All
Go
right,
have fun
thank you.
out there.
All right. I guess you guys are kicking me out. And it hurts a little bit because I'm so geeked. I want to know how you guys do this. You know what I mean? You're in Idaho, for crying out loud. Not that easy to get to, just so you know. Drove here and man, now I got to leave my truck. The good thing is I'm going down to Park City. I got some mountain bike pro buddies. I'm going to go to Woodward Park City. I'm going to go ahead and get back into some proper riding. So I'm really excited. I got my family with me. I'm going to take the kids, show them how to ride a little bit, and just enjoy, being out and about, I trust you guys. I mean, you can't screw it up that bad, can you? Right?
All right, so Steve right now is working on installing CBI's 3.0 bolt-on rock sliders. From here, he's gonna move on to installing CBI's full skid plate. These things look so awesome. And from there, he's gonna install CBI's gas skid.
I've had a Jeep for a long time. It died, a hydroloctor. So I needed a platform that was reliable, but you could build upon. And I started doing some research. And when I found Tacoma Beast on Instagram, I was instantly stoked because it was a really cool portal for me. Just passionate people that love Tacomas. And I got to see so many of the different options and the potential for the vehicles. I'm hoping it's going to look like some kind of, black ops vehicle, but for good stuff. We're saving animals.
We moved Kenan's truck over to Mike's install bay, where he's gonna be installing the CBI overland bed rack, just like the one that's on my truck. And from there, he's gonna move on to installing the Prinsu cab rack. Can't wait to show you guys how awesome the truck's gonna look.
I've been fortunate enough to be thick enough to chase something that I really loved. It's been bikes and animals my entire life. And then later when you get the license, it's trucks. I really think that you're tying together all aspects of all of my passions, family aside, that's number one. But when you talk about things that are at my foundation of what I love in my career, everything I've done revolved around animals, bikes, and now, you know, overland and off-road vehicles.
As you just saw, it was extremely easy for Mike to just pull back the weather strip, immediately locate the factory threads. What's next?
Next, we're going to be putting the silicone down and putting our spacers in.
And why is that? So that water doesn't go inside the cab, right?
So we don't get water inside the cab. So we'll put a nice bead down, enough to get under this and then in between, and then it'll get enough on the threads. So the threads down in, we don't get any water in there.
All right, so Mike just finished installing the Prinsu cab rack, the CBI overland bed rack, and right now he's working on installing 2 bike mounts that are gonna go on each side. In case you guys did not know, Kenan used to be a professional BMX rider.
I've never had a normal job. I was a professional BMX rider. I did flips off ramps. I traveled the country and globe doing that, and it was amazing. I'm even in a video game, believe it or not. I'm in Dave Mira's Pro Freestyle BMX 1 and 2. Rest in peace, Dave, one of my best friends ever. You know, so I've had already, you know, from 15 until I was 30, just had this amazing experience with BMX. It's saved my life because I'm so ADD and high energy. If I didn't have that to focus it, I may have turned out a lot different.
Now it's time for my favorite part. Mike is gonna be cutting the bed side so we can install CBI's high clearance rear bumper with the dual swing outs. Yo, the SPOD's here. We got the SPOD. Crazy how fast they delivered the SPOD. We really needed a power control system. And called SPOD, called Mary. Awesome customer service. And they delivered. So this is what we're gonna use to wire up all the lights that Kenan got from Hertix Studios. From what he told me, he wanted one with 6 switches. Look at that. There we go. So as you can see, that's gonna be those are all gonna be his switches. He's gonna be able to assign each light bar to each switch, so he can do the 20, 40, and so on. The quality of this product is insane. So I actually have this same one, but the one with 8 switches, and I just love it. We actually talk about it in our top 5 must-have interior mods video. We'll make sure to link that one down below. All we gotta do is wait for Dave from Hertic Studios to come tomorrow. He's gonna be arriving around 10 in the morning, and he's gonna be installing all the light bars on the truck. I think he's gonna be doing some chase lights, I'm not sure. And then we gotta wire them up to the SPOD.